Hi everybody, and welcome to Speech 1311 Intro to Communication. I am coming to you from Ball State University in Muncie, Indiana. You can see behind me, it is snowing. So I know it's a lot different from what's in Texas. But I will be your adjunct instructor for speech, and I will be communicating with you via the internet. So what I'm going to do today is go over the syllabus, but I just wanted you to be able to put a name to a face, and hopefully when you see my videos or hear me talk or whatever, you'll know exactly where I'm at, and you can kind of picture me either in the library or somewhere on campus, much like you are at home, or maybe you're somewhere on campus as well. I hope you will enjoy this class as much as I enjoy teaching it. And if you have any questions or comments, always reach out to me via email. And if we need to, we can have Skype meetings or phone calls, whatever you need. So now we're going to get going on going over the syllabus. Okay, great. In order to access the syllabus, I want y'all to go to our portal page, and you can see I've listed it here under class information. Okay, so you'll see syllabus, view detail, scroll down, you'll be able to access the syllabus and then the full calendar for the whole semester. Okay, so you can download those and see what that's all about. I also want to direct your attention to my YouTube channel. Here is a whole list of all of the videos that I will be making for y'all, explanations for assignments, especially how to do things. So you can see, if you click on that, you can see a playlist of all of the things that I've uploaded so far. And I try to update that as much as I can so that there's no questions about what the instructions are or how to understand a specific assignment. I do upload the documents for you to read, but sometimes it helps to have somebody explain them to you. So you can look at this YouTube channel there. So let's go ahead and look at the syllabus that we have for the semester. As you can see, it's the spring 2018. I'm Rosalinda Ortiz. Here's my contact information, rortiz@swtjc.edu. That's your primary way of communicating with me. If we need to, we will set up a time to either Skype or have a phone call if you need to contact me. You can have, there's of course our subscription, our textbook that we need, BB, and Ivy, Principles for a Lifetime, 6th edition. Okay, so you can use that ISBN to get the textbook that you need. For the technology requirements, you're going to need to know how to use the portal, Microsoft Office Suite such as PowerPoint or Microsoft Word, a device for recording and uploading videos. Some of you can do this on your cell phone. Some of you have a computer with a webcam capability, and that's fine too. So any device that you have to record and upload videos is fine with me. You will also be needing to create a YouTube account. This is the first semester that I'm requiring everybody to create a YouTube, and I just think that it makes it easier to access, upload, and have the right file size for everybody to view your videos. So I did put a video link on the YouTube channel on how to create a YouTube account if you need help doing that. Okay, so I'm going to skip over the Gen Ed core outcomes and the core assignments and the outcomes. Go down to our lecture topics. So you can see there's 15 chapters in the textbook. You will need to be doing an outline for each of the 15 chapters. Contributions, expectations. So there's going to be about 10 message boards that are required for you, and they're in the calendar of when they're due. Now you need to reply to the message board topic with original, thoughtful, and college level responses. Just saying yeah, okay is not going to be enough. Try to have at least 50 words in your responses. They are due, they have specific due dates, so please make sure that you post on time because I do close them so that you can't post any longer. So please make sure you do that in a timely manner. Every so often I'm going to ask you to have student responses so that you can respond to your peers. Those need to be at least 25-word responses and not just, I didn't think about that, or good job. So you need to be a little bit more elaborate than that. Make sure all your comments are constructive and conducive to learning, and they should enhance and demonstrate your communication skills. So then we also have chapter outlines that are going to be due, and again, they're in your calendar of when they're due. Typically, one per week, and then as we get to midpoint, you'll have two per week due. So 10 chapters are required. The other five can be done for extra credit, and a lot of times you will need that extra credit just in case you miss assignments or forget to post things. When you submit your assignments to the assignments page on the portal, you need to save your work in Microsoft Word or PDF. And if you're actually writing your outlines out by hand, you can take pictures of them and upload the images there. No late assignments outlines will be accepted. In order to save your file, make sure you save it with your first initial, last name, and then the chapter number. So, for example, if I made my first chapter 1 outline, I would put R Ortiz 1 .docx. Now, if I made it in a PDF, um, it would be, same thing, name, the number, the chapter number, and then .pdf. Or if it's an image, again, just so that I can tell who's who. You're going to have an interpersonal assignment that's going to be created using PowerPoint, and I will make a video for you to explain to you what exactly you have to do for that. And then you're going to have a group assignment, and again, I'll make you another video for that so that you can see what we're doing. And these will be in the second part of the semester once you've gotten the hang of it. And then finally, you're going to have a speech presentation. It's a 3 to 5 minute speech. This speech is recorded and uploaded to YouTube. So, I'll have a video for you explaining what all you need to do there. So I don't want you to worry too much on these big assignments because we're not there yet. I just want to get you acclimated to learning how to use the portal and creating assignments and your outlines and your message boards. That's going to be the first half of the semester. So you can see the message board, they're worth 150 points. Outlines are worth 100 points. Your exams, they're midterm and final, so they're 150 points each. And then your interpersonal is 100. Your group is 150. Your speech presentation is 200 for a total of 1,000 points. You can see your grading criteria as follows. If any of you have special issues that I need to be aware of, please make sure you're registered with the ADA, and these are the people to contact. And then we have our academic integrity statement. So I expect you to not plagiarize. Make sure that you are doing your own work. Do not share your work with anybody else, and do not work together unless I have specifically said that you can work together. A lot of times this happens whenever you are borrowing each other's outlines, and that's where most of the plagiarism occurs, and I can tell. So please do not plagiarize or copy each other's chapter outlines. Do your own work so that you can understand the assignments and so that you can understand what we're really talking about when we're talking about communication. So please make sure, and again, do your own work. I'm going to skip over the QEP, copyrighted, our mission statement here, and really that's pretty much everything that I want you to know. Again, office hours, I'm online, so please make sure, just email me if you have any questions. There's links to different services that the junior college has to offer. You can go over that. So that's our syllabus in a nutshell. The next video is going to talk about our calendar for the entire semester. I want you to break out your schedule and make sure you know when everything is due, when you have to turn things in, when they're uploaded, the expectations are uploaded to the portal. So that's going to be on the next video. And again, if you have any questions about what we're doing, please, please, please communicate with me. Contact me via email. I try to check my email every day. Keep in mind that at least give me 24 to 48 hours to return your emails, especially on the weekends. Okay? Have a great day, and look forward to having you in class. Thanks.